Welcome to this video. Action Plan for Existence. Agroforests and their deep soils are key and become ever more biodiverse and carbon sequestering. These agroforests can still be found in the Amazon forest, presenting extreme soil fertility and productivity. They were built by Amerinds several thousands of years ago. They and their extreme biodiversity are the left marks of a past when we humans were a kind of guardians of the planet and its biodiversity. Their descendants do not experience brain atrophy that we modern humans experience more and more since we left the Amazon forest. This brain atrophy is strongly associated with the perfect storm we are in today. What caused the perfect storm? And is it behind us or are still to come? We still do not know what caused it, and in what phase of it we are in today. Is it almost behind us or still to come? I claim and argue that we did not enter the larger perfect storm yet. That even in case the actual coronavirus already is becoming endemic, does not mean the larger perfect storm is coming to its end. We are quickly approaching the triggering of the already in advance builded up larger perfect storm. In for the long cycle. If one takes a look at the sudden drop of life expectancy and compare this drop with the predicted extended period long cycle, that life expectancy will turn negative, that one will understand a few things. 1. There are much more than one sudden drop of expectancy, and that expectancy turning negative, or an extended period of time, or a long cycle, already is going on for a long period of time. Life expectancy has been bending down more and more since 1994, or even before. The plague epidemic in India in 1994 can be used as a benchmark, and fits well in the early 1990s, when plague started re-emerging, according to WHO. 2. The prediction of an exact beginning, a date, of the triggering of the perfect storm, is not possible, based on life expectancy, also because it will not be an exact point or date in time. It will take form with dips and bends down as well as risings and bends up. The actual pandemic is not an isolated short, once in a so much time event. First we need to separate and define A. The Great Perfect Storm and B. The Small Perfect Storm. The Great Perfect Storm. A first definition is a long-term decline in life expectancy, and possibly one, or a few very accentuated drops, that Kent Thornburg kind of predicted. Later, in retrospect, possibly the long-term decline in expectancy, predicted by Kent Thornburg will be confirmed. What is confirmed already now is a sharp drop, instead of a smooth and linear going down. The Small Perfect Storm. A first definition is the actual or CDC perfect storm, the part of the actual pandemic, as we will see it in retrospect, just as we see other former epidemics etc. in retrospect. Later, in retrospect, it can turn out that Kent Thornburg etc. kind of predicted it too. Now a bit more info. The unpredictability and the potential of explosiveness of both the Small Perfect Storm, as well as the Great Perfect Storm, and also how well Kent Thornburg kind of predicted the change. For now he only predicted the Small Perfect Storm, but possibly in years it could be found out that he also predicted the Great Perfect Storm, this while he only predicted a long-term, linear, change and decline in life expectancy. All this also means that at least, the actual pandemic, part of the storm, was at least in retrospect kind of predictable all along. Our non-human virus epidemics, the yellow canaries of the larger storm. The actual pandemic could be seen as, and very well be a kind of short-time event, already turning endemic, or disappearing, just like others before, the Spanish flu 2018, or more recently SARS 2002 and MERS 2012. However, the perfect storm itself, as well as the turning negative of global life expectancy line, are not at all short-time events. JM. I will try to present a card at this point in this video, that if clicked will link to a video where I present and give arguments for the hypothesis and details of the 7 modern epidemics predicting and also actively building up the larger perfect storm, that also can and did reflect in bending down and possibly also turning negative of the life expectancy line. This is the end of this video, thanks for watching. The subject of the next video will be flaring up. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, bye.